Developing an app can take a lot of time, and it is tricky to know where to start. The decisions you make before beginning your project will determine, to a great extent, the amount of time you will spend on coding or manipulating libraries or packages. Successful app development depends on good project planning. In this video, you will learn how to perform requirements gathering, an essential step in project planning. Project planning starts with getting a clear picture of what the project, or in this case, the app, is going to do. Once you have the idea clearly defined, it allows you to break the app down into principal components of functionality. No matter if the app is for yourself or for a client, requirements gathering is an important step that should not be skipped. Let's go through a simple requirements specification for a video player app. As mentioned earlier, an app normally starts with an idea. The idea in this case is to create a video player. But there are a lot of different ways to play videos. Think about streaming. Will the app have video art? Will it play one or multiple video formats? And what kind of controls will it need? You need to think about what exactly you want this app to do. These questions will guide you to determine what components the app needs to have to fulfill its envisioned functions. Some more questions you should consider are you going to build the video app yourself, or will it be a video selection app that sends videos to another app that plays them? Will the app store videos on the device, or stream them to the device, or gather links for selection? Let's say the answers to these questions are that you want a self-contained app with a player that stores MP4 videos locally and controls each video. With this information, you can further decide what platforms you want to use to develop the app, as well as which libraries or packages you will need. In this case, the app will run on Android. Finally, you have a complete requirement specification for your app. By now, you should understand that you will speed up the development time considerably if you carefully consider your options instead of diving straight in and guessing as you go. In this video, you've learned that no matter what app you're trying to build, you should always start with requirements gathering. The aim is to answer as many questions as possible to determine the needed components. The more complex the project, the more questions you'll need to ask and answer. But even a simple plan, like the example covered in this video, will save a lot of time and effort.